Okay, this is the question from the past paper, and this is the same operators which we have already discussed in the classroom. And very quickly, I would like to share us what is happening here, and then we will solve the question. First of all, we set up damp iron fillings. These are damp iron fillings, right? In a conical flask. That conical flask is connected with a gas syringe, and the strategy is iron reacts slowly with oxygen to form rust. As oxygen gets used up, the total volume of air in the apparatus decreases, and by comparing the volume before and after rusting, we can find out how much oxygen was in the air. Alright, so let's begin with the question. You can see you are provided with volume of gas in a flask and connected tube. Collectively it is given. So this is volume of air. Volume of air, you can write here before the reaction, right? So volume in conical flask and connected tube is 280 centimeter cube, and in the gas syringe it's 100 centimeter cube, right? When the reaction starts, what happens? Oxygen from the air is being consumed by iron fillings, reacted with iron fillings, making rust, and we are left with remaining gases. So we can write here volume of remaining gases after the reaction, right? So after the reaction, volume on gas syringe, which is decreased, that is 27 centimeter cube, and rest remains the same, that is 280 centimeter cube, connected tube and a conical flask, and the volume reading on a gas syringe after the reaction is 27 centimeter cube. So when we subtract this volume, total volume, from this volume, we get the volume of what? Volume of oxygen consumed. I hope you are clear about this. So you get 73 centimeter cube. Now they are asking, calculate the percentage of oxygen in the sample of air. Now how can we calculate the percentage of oxygen in the air? So you know this 73 centimeter cube, basically volume of oxygen in total volume, which is 280 plus 100 centimeter cube, like it is total volume of air, that is 380 centimeter cube, right? So we need a percentage, so we just need to know what about 100. If it is instead of 380, what about 100 centimeter cube volume of air? So we cross multiply it and we get the answer. I hope you know about it very well, that how we solve it. We write here 380 x equals to 73 into 100. 73 into 100 divided by 380, and they are asking that you have to write your answer to two significant figure. So you get the answer 19.21, but they are asking for two significant figure. So you get answer 19 centimeter cube. I hope you are clear about it.